What's going on, guys? This is on the Mowers coming right back at you again. Nice little intro. That was supposed to be my original intro. I'm back here in my brother's house. Yesterday, picked up a free tractor. So yes, from Jersey to Florida, it does not stop. So I picked up this LTX 1000. Not like Jersey. They're actually no rust in them, but I was very surprised because this has a 20 horsepower, and usually these 1000s usually 16, maybe 17, but this is really not bad shape. Oh, also got these free parts with them. All right, also got a free deck with it. I mean, well, the deck is, he took it off, but actually it needs some spindles. But overall, this mower is in really great shape. Oh, and he gave me an extra hood too. So the extra hood, let's walk back here to my little prized possession pile. I don't want to overload my brother's garage. So you can see. So, bam, he gave me this hood for it. So LT 2000, so not bad. There goes the deck. One spindle's out. I'm gonna replace the other one. They usually go for like $22 to $25, but once I'm gonna replace the spindles, paint it up, and slap it back on. So it should be pretty good. All right, guys. So like I said, nice V twin into it. Big boy, man. This is crazy. And I'm freaking hoping this engine is not frozen, which I got a feeling it is, man. That's gonna suck. You see the oil leak it has here. So look at that, guys. Look at this. Look at this. There's barely any oil in it, is it? Let's see. Wipe it down. Yeah. He probably blew the engine out. That's why it's free. I guess I got the deck there. A lot of surface rust. I know. Actually, this one's getting eaten through. Yep. Oh, there goes the hole. So we have to repair that. I have to look for a key, which I'll probably just hit up my buddy Doug to see if he has any extra keys. But overall, not bad for free. Fixed up. Well, hopefully that engine is not bad. Fixed up. This should fetch me, I don't know, $500–600, depending on how much work I got put into it. But yeah, it's not bad. All right, guys. So after taking the cover off, had to blow everything, all the leaf and everything away. Put a new battery. Yes, the way I do it there. Like I said, no key, but here goes the solenoid there. So you put that together, and the starter should kick on, and let's see if it cranks up. Alright guys, so I'm gonna get some go-go juice. I guess we have to figure out if it has some spark or not. But get a little bit more juice to it. See what happens. Alright, let's see if we get some spark to this. Whoa. Alright, I'm not getting no spark. Not getting no spark. Alright, let's double check that. Alright guys, my camera died. I think this is worse money I spent. My other camcorder, for some weird reason, took a crap. So I bought this Kodak. Doesn't come with a rechargeable battery. I don't know. I think this is more for like a blog instead of the stuff I do here. So I don't like it. So I'm gonna give this to my wife and start looking for another camera to do. But show you a little process here. So far, get out of here, Warden. Before I knock your ass out. So I put the tank over this side so I can get to the switch. I had to clean this off because it wasn't making good contact. Hold on, guys. Because this Hornet is next to me, and I don't want to get stung. Oops. I just broke my brother's candy cane. But I just hit the Hornet. I don't know where he went. But, oops. Christmas decoration. He won't see it. So, yeah. So I had to clean the flywheel off. Once I did that, it made great contact and it actually kicked over. So that's great. So I just put the tank on there. Fill it up with gas. Let me open this up. Alright. Everything's on, so let's give it a try. Alright guys. And see the little Hornet's back over here again? I'll learn. Sure. I hit him. Kill it. I'm gonna give this some go-go juice. Get it going. Almost. How often do they change the car filters? Car filters? Yeah. The engine ones. What's going on, guys? So my camera and my phone died yesterday. Oh, there it goes. This phone's dying again. I keep forgetting to put it on the charger. But just to quick recap. So the engine, I still kind of didn't get started, but I'm missing the key for ignition. So I gotta look around and check where I could buy it at, or call my boy Doug. Most likely he has it, so we'll see. I'm gonna hit him up in here in a minute. But yeah, I'm gonna see if get that going, get the spindles for the deck. So next, that'll be my next video. Getting the spindles on the deck and getting everything together.
This is your Bobo.
Hold up. And you know, getting that mower going. But here's a couple of pictures of a lawnmower that I bought. Actually, I ended up getting a lawnmower and a tractor, a Troy Boyd tractor for free. I mean, for $50. So a lawnmower cost me like $25. I literally just sold it for $125, so I made a $100 profit. Basically, I got the tractor for free, you know. So here goes a couple of photos of it, and until next time, guys, mind the Mowers.
Another nice score. This one got...
Good morning, guys. Welcome to Mind the Mowers. Today, on the Mowers once again. Today is Sunday.